We are learning about two important words used to describe intensity in English. The words are too and very. Both words are used to express a high degree of something, but they have different meanings and uses. In English, the words too and very help us describe how strong or intense something is. Both emphasize degree, but their purposes are different. Understanding these differences helps you express yourself clearly. The word very means a high or strong degree of something, which is usually positive or neutral. On the other hand, too means an excessive degree, usually negative or problematic. Remember, very is generally good or acceptable, while too shows something is more than necessary. Consider the coffee example. When we say the coffee is very hot, it means it is hot, but I can drink it. When we say the coffee is too hot, it means it is so hot that I cannot drink it. Very means manageable, but too means problematic. Let's look at temperature. If it is very cold, it is cold, but I can still go outside and do what I want. If it is too cold, it is so cold I must stay inside. Very means tolerable, and too means impossible or not acceptable. Another example is a bag's weight. If the bag is very heavy, it is difficult to carry, but I can still carry it. If the bag is too heavy, it is impossible for me to carry. Very describes something difficult but possible, while too means it cannot be done. Take price as another example. When a shirt is very expensive, it is costly but I can afford to buy it. When a shirt is too expensive, it is so costly that I cannot buy it. Very means costly but affordable, and too means unaffordable. A useful rule is to use very when something is manageable or acceptable. Use too when something is problematic or excessive. Always ask yourself, can I handle this? If yes, use very. If no, use too. This will help you use these words correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.